Hello student. Now we are going to learn what is the relation of mole with atomic mass and molecular mass. Now to understand what is the relation of mole with atomic mass and molecular mass, first of all we have to understand the concept gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. You already know atomic mass and molecular mass. How we are counting for atomic mass and how we are considering the molecular mass. If we know atomic masses, we can be able to calculate molecular masses. Right? Now we have to see how this gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass is obtained. So first we will see the definition gram atomic mass, that is GAM. The gram atomic mass is the mass amount of an element whose mass in grams is numerically equal to its atomic mass. Gram atomic mass is the amount of an element whose mass in grams is numerically equal to its atomic mass. Means, in simple word, we can say gram atomic mass is the atomic mass of an element expressed in grams. This is in the simple word I am telling this definition. Now we will consider the example. Suppose atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U. We are expressing atomic masses in unit AMU, atomic mass unit. The symbol is U. So if I want to convert this atomic mass of hydrogen in gram atomic mass, then gram atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 gram. Similarly, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U. Then gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Means here you have to only change the symbol. Instead of U, you are going to write G. The mass is going to remain the same. There is no change in the atomic mass of an element when you are expressing it in the gram. It will be same as that of the whatever atomic mass we are expressing in terms of atomic mass unit. But when you are writing G, means you are expressing it in the grams. So gram atomic mass means the atomic mass of an element expressed in grams. Now we will see about molecular mass. What is the definition? The gram molecular mass is the amount of a substance whose mass in the grams numerically equal to its molecular mass. Means here again the mass in grams numerically equal to the molecular mass. That is nothing but the gram molecular mass. Now in simple word GMM we can express gram molecular mass. We are using short form GMM, that is molecular mass expressed in grams. Right? Now we will take example. For example, molecular mass of oxygen. Oxygen gas, when it is in the molecular form, it will have presence of 2 oxygen atoms. So we are representing it with the symbol O2. Now here O2 means there are 2 oxygen atoms in one molecule of oxygen. So here 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32 U. So here the molecular mass of oxygen we have got, that is 32 U. Now this is, now we are going to express in gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 32 grams. So similar, mass is similar, but only U is changed with G. There is no change in the molecular mass. Here it will be 32. Also when it is expressed in the gram, then gram molecular mass is also 32. Now I am taking another example, that is of water. Now molecular mass of water we are getting by multiplying 2 with 1, which is the atomic mass of hydrogen. Because water molecule has formula H2O. So 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So here 2 multiplied by 1. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. Plus 16. 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So molecular mass of water is 18 U. Now we are going to express it in the gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass, that is GMM of H2O is equal to 18 gram. Here numerical value same, 18, 18. Only the symbol is changed. Instead of U, you are going to write G. So there is no change in the value. It will be only change in the symbol. Okay. Now student, we will see how we are going to express the gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass for different substances. So here, now first of all we will see that atomic mass of carbon 12 isotope is equal to 12U. Now gram atomic mass of carbon 12 isotope is equal to 12 gram. Right? So here U is replaced with G. Now how this gram atomic mass is related with the mole, that we will see now. According to the definition of mole, there are the same number of entities should be there. How many are present in the carbon 12 isotope? This way we have learned the definition of 1 mole. Therefore, 1 mole is equal to 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Now, 1 mole is equal to 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope means 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So that we can relate 1 mole with the gram atomic mass of carbon. So 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is equal to 1 mole and is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Now we will consider example of oxygen. For atomic mass of oxygen, we are going to write it as a 16U. Therefore, gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Now, 16 gram means 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. That already we have discussed along with the mole concept. Now, here 16 gram of oxygen means 1 mole. And 1 mole means 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So, here you will get 16 gram of oxygen, that is equal to 1 mole, and 1 mole means 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Therefore, we can relate gram atomic mass with 1 mole. Now we can see about molecular mass. How we can going to see the 1 mole and relation of gram molecular mass. Now molecular mass of water is 18U. If it is expressed in gram, then gram molecular mass of water is 18 gram. So here U is replaced with G. Now 18 gram of water is equal to 1 mole and is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Similarly, if we are going to check for carbon dioxide, then molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Here 1 carbon and 2 oxygen atoms are present. So 12 plus 32 is equal to 44U. Now when we are going to express it in the grams, that is gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. Right? So 44 gram of carbon dioxide is equal to 1 mole and is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now we will say next example is of ammonia. Ammonia is having molecular formula NH3. Right? So here molecular mass of ammonia we are going to calculate as 14 plus 3 into 1. 14 is atomic mass of nitrogen. 3 into 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17U. If you are going to express it in the gram molecular mass of ammonia, then it will be 17 gram. Right? Now 17 gram of ammonia is equal to 1 mole and is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Thus, we can relate gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass with 1 mole. Now, we have got different examples for gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. Now, we are relating it with the moles. How we are relating it with the moles, that also we have discussed. So, in short, the 1 mole of atoms of an element means gram atomic mass of element. That you have to remember. 1 mole atoms of an element is equal to gram atomic mass of an element. Or we can say molar mass of an element. And it is always equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So, gram atomic mass of element is equal to 1 mole atoms of an element and is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So, here 1 mole atoms means 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. and 1 mole atoms means gram atomic mass of an element. If I will consider example of nitrogen, then 1 mole atoms of nitrogen is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of nitrogen, and 1 mole of atoms of nitrogen, it is the gram atomic mass of nitrogen, that is 14 gram. Now for molecule, 1 mole molecules of a substance is equal to gram molecular mass of a substance. That is also equal to molar mass of a substance. Molar mass of a substance is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So 1 mole molecules of a substance is equal to gram molecular mass of a substance is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of a substance. Now 1 mole molecules is equal to gram molecular mass of the substance is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of the substance. If I will consider example of the methane gas, then methane gas, 1 mole of methane gas molecules is equal to gram molecular mass of the methane, and methane has gram molecular mass is equal to 17 gram. Now here the molecules present in the methane gas, that is equal to 1 mole methane gas contains 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Sorry student, the gram molecular mass of the methane gas is the 16 gram. So 1 mole molecules of the methane gas is equal to gram molecular mass of the methane gas, that is equal to 16 gram. And 1 mole methane gas molecule is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So I hope student that you understood about how the gram molecular mass and gram atomic mass are related with the mole. If you like watching my videos, please subscribe my channel, comments are also invited, and press bell icon to get notification of my new video. So thank you for watching and bye for now.